Ukraine's superior drone surveillance lead them often to have the upper hand in taking out the other side's equipment. As Russia focus more on area covering artillery, they also need more equipment to achieve the same result as Ukraine, which leads to Ukraine having an easier time finding them as well. As seen with this hidden 2S1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer, as they placed it in a thin tree line with a camouflage net. As Ukrainian drone managed to find the system, the outcome doesn't usually end well for Russia. As the drone often has a shape-charged warhead penetrating into the system, which often stores ammunition, leading as seen here again to a massive explosion as the equipment is obliterated, destroying another of Russia's artillery, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.